Graph of trigonometry functions. First trigonometry function y is equal to sin x. X y equal to sin x. With the angles value 0 degree, 0 by radian, pi by 2, pi and 3 pi by 2, and next minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2. For 0, sin 0 is equal to 0, pi by 2 1. This is pi 0, 3 pi by 2 minus 1, minus pi by 2, sin of minus pi by 2, minus sin of minus theta, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So sin of minus pi by 2 equal to minus sin pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Then minus pi 0, this is plus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Now the diagram. X value, y for domain. First here pi, 2 pi, this is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Here minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2. Your domain plus 1 and minus 1 only. First for 0, 0 pi by 2 1, this is 1 point, 0, next point here, next point 0. So join the points, a smooth curve. Here left hand side, here minus pi by minus 1, 0, plus 1, 0. So join. This is the graph of y is equal to sin x. Now the sign changes of sign, the values are increasing or decreasing values in the first four quadrants. First quadrant, in first quadrant means 0 to pi by 2. Here the values are increasing. So the value increases from 0 to what? 1. 0 to 1. In second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, the values is decreasing. Here increase, here decreasing. So it decreases from what? 1 to 0. Next, third quadrant. So more than pi and less than 3 pi by 2. So here the values are decreasing decreases from 0 to minus 1. Next again up. So fourth quadrant increases from 0 to 1. Sorry, minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Next graph, cos x. Y is equal to cos x. X is equal to 0, y cos 0 is 1. 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, -1. Cos of minus pi. Cos of minus pi is equal to cos pi only. It's equal to 1 -1. Now the diagram. X dash origin, y dash, pi 2 pi. Here pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 5 by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, 1, -1. Now first point, for 0, 1, pi by 2, 0, pi, -1, 3 pi by 2, 0, 2 pi, 1. Here so join the points. Next left hand side, minus pi by 2, 0, minus pi plus -1, 0, here 1. So here this is y is equal to cos x graph. Now the changes of value in first quadrant, here decreasing, decreases from 1 to 0. Next again decreases from 0 to -1. Third increases from -1 to 0. Then fourth quadrant, this increases from 0 to 1. Now the graph y is equal to tan x. When that value reaches pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, becomes to not depend. So that points the function is equal to the extreme value. Okay, first for 0, tan 0 is equal to 0 and tan 90 is equal to pi by, tan 90 is equal to infinity. So going to rise like this, increasing. Next second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, here pi tan 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant, all silver, here negative, tan theta, the value must be negative. Okay, value must be negative. So come to the second quadrant, the fourth quadrant, y, this is y value, and here meet 0, tan pi is equal to 0. Next here 3 pi by 2 comes to infinity. In the left hand side also this is a graph of tan x. Now the change of values, first quadrant here increases from 0 to infinity. Second quadrant here increases minus infinity to 0, increases from minus infinity to 0. Third quadrant increases 0 to infinity, increases from 0 to infinity. Fourth quadrant here fourth quadrant 270 plus theta, all silver teacups, cos only positive, tan negative. So here negative for the in the y value negative means fourth quadrant. So here increases minus infinity to 0, increases from minus infinity to 0. Similarly, we can define the remaining functions. So this is not necessary. This note is not necessary. If you need means one write. This exercise problem you should complete your classwork note. Okay, and I give some homework problems that also complete your classwork note. For this section, I give more introductions. You go through watch the videos carefully. This is very important for attend the objective questions and the first idea of this topic. Okay, thank you.